Hello everybody, welcome here and welcome to the moving vlog. I'm super excited to tell you that today is moving day and I couldn't be happier. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and come along and let's organize and move together. So I actually started this vlog this morning, so I'm going to insert the clips here. I'm actually taking this first clip on my phone simply because I left my camera in the new house. But it's moving day. I'm probably doing a separate intro already, but it's moving day and I'm about to leave soon to go to the new house, which is super exciting. Also, I'm not wearing any makeup today, so excuse my face. Here is the last couple of bits that I need to put in the car, so let's do that together. Bye, Molly. Bye. I promised to visit. Bye, Tia. Love you. Goodbye, house. I'm going. So as you can see from that, I forgot my camera this morning. It was right here in the spare room, just chilling, waiting for me, and I didn't collect it. But I'm in the house forever now. And I'm going to basically just walk around and tidy up everything. Like, there's stuff like this everywhere. There, here on the ground. So there's just a lot to work with and I kind of just don't know where to start. So I think I'm going to go downstairs. I still have more to bring up from downstairs and I think I'm going to go, and Alexa's playing downstairs, so I don't want to go downstairs in case I get copyrighted. But I'm going to bring everything else upstairs, and also I need to fold the washing that I did that was still drying, and yeah, basically just lots of things to do. So let's go and do some of them together. We got our carpet measured for the stairs, and I think it's coming on Tuesday or Wednesday, so that's great news. Alexa, stop. I'm sorry if everybody else's Alexa just stopped too. But let me just fold some washing, do some boring bits basically, but I hope you enjoy those nonetheless. I'm also going to have to hoover the whole house, and I really want to mop all the floors, so that's also on the agenda. But I still need to bring these two things upstairs, so let's go and do that first. So this is the current situation. I only have this to put away and it's mostly decoration, so I just don't know where to put them yet. But this is what this room is currently looking at like. Aaron still has to put away his stuff. And I need to take out all these clothes from these boxes and put them in my actual wardrobe. So for now, I'm gonna do my makeup here, simply because I'm still waiting for my makeup desk to be ready. So for now, it's kind of just my place where I store all my crap, basically. This duvet is like a cloud. I cannot wait to go to sleep. Like, it is the squishiest thing I've ever felt. Wow. It's from M&S, by the way. And it did say light and soft and light or something like that on the packaging, but like, this is next level. I'm obsessed. Looking outside and it's actually miserable. It is lashing rain, like you'd swear somebody turned the shower on. It's horrible. But that's okay. We're enjoying our day inside. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of just want to go to bed now. This is so cozy. So cozy. But I still have 2 pillows left, and then I want to see what kind of throws I have for the bed. I also just realized that I have, like, I don't know if you can see, but there's a brown cushion there. It's really big and it's from H&M and I love it so much. And I was convinced that I only got one, and the other day I panicked and I was like, oh my gosh, I wish I got 2. So I went on to H&M and thankfully they were still in stock, and I bought another one, and I just found the second cushion. So I ordered the other one for nothing, so I'm gonna have to return it because there's no point in having 3. But yeah, so I panicked, even though, and why did I not check my my orders on H&M to see how many I ordered? I don't know. Don't ask, because I just didn't think of it. This bedding is like brushed cotton, so it's like super duper soft. I know we're coming into summer, well, spring, and that this might be too warm for some people, but we love it. We love brushed cotton, so I thought I'd give it a go and see. I went with the white simply because I just want my bed to be crisp and clean. I'm still waiting on Aaron to come up. He is still at home packing up his stuff. So I, as you saw, hoovered and washed the floors, and I wanted to get this done so he comes home from work and packing to a nice fresh house. So that's why I'm doing this. It was a struggle in a way to put that duvet on. I'm not used to such such big duvets. I've never had such a big bed, so I'm not used to it. This is the cushion I was talking about. I absolutely adore it. And here's the other one that I found. I can't believe that. I knew I bought two. Why would I buy one? Silly me. They're like muslin material, and I'm obsessed with anything muslin material. They're still on the website, so if you're looking for them, just type in cushion cover, muslin cushion cover to H&M, and I'm sure you'll find them. And it's a really big like cushion. It's a 60 by 60, so not like your standard sized one. Then I have a good few of these muslin throws, but I think I might use this one, or I might even layer them. I might layer them. Let me get the other one. I still have this one and this one. So I'm thinking maybe this one, and then this layered on top. Don't know what that looks like. I'm not very good at layering things. So this is what it looks like. Again, I'm not sure. Should I have that hanging down, or should I sort of pick it up? I don't know. But this is what our bedroom is looking like. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. Let's try and fix that. I don't know how to do it. I think I need to look. I think I might have to look at a picture on Pinterest or something to see what to do. I have a couple of frames that I bought a little while ago, and I thought we could put some pictures into them. So I got some printed recently. I don't know if they're gonna go, if they're gonna look nice, but I guess we just have to wait and see. Good morning, everybody. I didn't vlog yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday that much, simply because I was busy and I kind of wanted to get my stuff done. But today is Sunday, and I'm just trying to dodge the washing there. Today's Sunday, and we're heading out in a few minutes to do the food shop, which is super exciting. First food shop of the house. But yeah, other than that, nothing else is planned for today. So we're gonna have breakfast, we're gonna do our food shop, and then probably just chill. We just got our shopping and
Should have brought a man.
should have brought the van, as Aaron says. Hello everybody. Gosh, it's really dark here. Hello. I'm actually just sitting down to edit this video, and I've realized that it's so much mismatched. I feel like there's just nothing happening in order whatsoever, so I apologize for that, and I promise the next one will make some sort of sense. But it was just so busy moving everything and kind of settling in, so I hope you can understand as to why it's all crazy. And I hardly filmed anything, as always. Whenever I'm busy, I hardly film anything, but I hope you enjoyed it anyways. My next one will be a Saturday kind of reset video, cleaning, etc, so get excited for that. I hope you're all doing really well, and I will see you all in my next one.